Hello everyone, welcome to African Not Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are making cassava dough. We have our cassava here, so let's go ahead and start it. Yeah. So it's open. Now I'm going to take the core out. Yeah, make sure you remove the core, okay, because you don't want that in your corn dough. Cut it, leave it in your water. Make sure you remove all the cores. All right, okay, that's done. I'm going to do another one to show you. So this is how you peel your cassava. Make sure you don't cut your hands, careful. All right, open it gently like that. Okay, and this one, okay, cut it, leave in your water. And here you remove the core. Okay, this core is gone already in the water. The same thing here, leave it in the water. So this is it. I have cut them into small pieces here, so I'm going to wash them now and soak and leave water, clean water in it, and cover it and leave it to ferment for about 7 days. Let me go and wash it first and then I'll come back to you. So now everything is in here in place. I have washed and everything, put clean water in it. So now I'm going to cover this, leave it on a side. Don't put this in your fridge, leave it in your kitchen somewhere safe, yeah, for 7 days. Minimum 5 days, maximum 7, yes. And then check it sometimes and see how it goes, but just, you know, if you want, just leave it, don't touch it, just leave it. And then after 7 days you will see it ferment, and then we'll show you what's gonna happen. So this is our cassava dough. Look at the cassava being soaked. Look at the water has changed, you can tell. Look at that, and it smells really strong. Okay, so now we're going to blend this. Let's see. You see how soft it is. Yeah. See? It's really fermented. So we're going to blend this and then come back. So this is it. I have cut them into small pieces. Now I'm going to add water and blend it. I have 2 blenders, so I'm using both of them at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to put water in here, about a cup of water, and another cup here. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to blend it. So now we have finished blending. So I have put my cheesecloth here. I'm going to drain the liquid from the from the cassava dough. Okay, so I have blended the first one. I'm going to squeeze this water a bit, not too much. Don't squeeze it too much because you still need the starch in it to make your banku. All right, so this is how it looks. Nicely done. Look at that. Okay, right, this is the first one. Oh, look at how much liquid is in here. Okay, look. So I'm going to squeeze it until there's no more water, liquid, but not too dry. Don't do it too dry. All right, okay, like that. So this is how much liquid we end up with, and this is the cassava dough. This is what I was saying. Yeah, it's not too dry, not too wet, in between. Okay, so I'm going to pack this and put it in my freezer. So I'm going to put them in bowls like that. All right, and cover it with my. So after making it into a bowl, now I'm going to wrap them on clear film here nicely, wrap it, and this is how I'm going to do all of them, like that, and then put it in the freezer or in the fridge if you want to use it. Just put some in the fridge and put some in your freezer, okay? And it can be in your freezer for as long as you want, okay? All right, this is it. After wrapping it and everything, this is it. So what I did, I found out after soaking the cassava for 7 days, blend it and everything, I thought it was going to be really fermented. It wasn't. So I left it 24 hours on my kitchen worktop in the bowl, wrap it and leave it, you know, for 24 hours, and it came out really good. So if you do this the same way I did, 7 days soaking the cassava, it's not fermented enough, just after blend it, just leave it on a bowl, cover it, leave it until the next day, or you know, or more longer if you want, 2 days more if you want, and then it will be fermented the way you want. Okay, so this is it. So this one will go for your bankun, your plakali, anything you wish that you can do cassava dough dish with, you can do it and it goes well. So thank you for coming today, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.